I forgot my wallet. Jack, wait a second. I need to check something.
What's wrong?
I'm looking for my wallet in my bag.
Is it not there?
No, it's not here.
Are you sure? Check the small pocket.
I checked. It's empty.
Maybe it's in your jacket.
I don't have my jacket today.
Okay, don't worry. Let's think about this.
I remember now. I left it on the kitchen table this morning.
That happens sometimes.
I'm so sorry. This is embarrassing.
It's okay. It's not a big problem.
But we already ordered food.
Yes, the waiter is bringing it soon.
How much is the bill going to be?
Let me check the menu again.
I had the chicken sandwich. That's $9.
And I had the pasta. That's $11.
So together, it's $20.
Plus 2 coffees. $6 total.
So $26 altogether.
Do you have any money at all?
I have a few coins, maybe $2.
That's not enough.
I know. I'm really sorry, Jack.
Don't apologize. We can solve this.
Do you have enough money for both of us?
Let me check my wallet. I have $30 in cash.
Oh, that's great. That covers the bill.
Yes, but then I won't have money for the bus later.
Right, that's a problem too. Can you use your card instead?
Good idea. Let me try that. Wait, my card isn't in my wallet.
What? Where is it?
I think I left it at home too.
Oh no, really?
Yes, I only have cash today.
So we both have a problem.
It looks that way.
Okay, let's think of another option.
Do you have a payment app on your phone?
Yes, I have one. Let me check.
But I need to link it to my bank card.
Is your card saved in the app?
No, I never added it.
Can you add it now?
I'll try. Give me a minute.
It's asking for a code.
What kind of code?
A verification code from my bank.
Can you get that here?
I need a good phone signal.
Is your signal weak?
Yes, only 1 bar.
Try standing near the window.
Okay, let me move. Still nothing. No new message.
That's frustrating.
I know. This is taking too long.
Let's think of a simpler plan.
What if we use your cash for now?
Then how will we pay for the bus?
We could walk home instead.
It's pretty far, though.
How far exactly?
About 40 minutes on foot.
That's a long walk.
Yes, but it's possible.
Is there another option?
We could ask the restaurant if we can pay later.
Do you think they'll agree?
I'm not sure. Let's ask.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Actually, I meant the waiter.
Oh, right. Let's call him over.
Excuse me, sir. Can we talk to you?
We have a small situation.
I forgot my wallet at home today.
Is it possible to pay later?
We can come back tomorrow with the money.
I understand, but that's not our policy.
Oh, I see.
Is there another way we can pay?
Do you accept mobile payment apps?
Yes, we do. Several kinds.
Great. Let me try again.
Take your time.
The code finally arrived.
Perfect timing.
Let me enter it quickly.
Did it work?
Yes, my card is added now.
That's a relief.
Now I can pay with my phone.
Should we still use my cash?
No, save your cash for the bus.
Are you sure? I don't mind helping.
I'm sure. This works better.
Okay, let's ask for the bill.
Excuse me, can we get the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
While we wait, let's talk about something else.
Sure. What's on your mind?
Are we still going to the movie tonight?
Yes, if we have time.
What time does it start?
I think 7:30.
What time is it now?
It's almost 6.
We should be fine then.
Yes, we have enough time.
Here comes the waiter with the bill.
Perfect timing.
The total is $26.
Let me pay with my phone.
Does the app connect to their machine?
I need to scan this code first.
Is it working?
Yes, it's processing now.
Did it go through?
Yes, payment successful.
Great, we solved it.
Thank you so much for your patience, Jack.
No problem at all.
I really appreciate your help today.
That's what friends are for.
Next time, lunch is on me.
I'll remember that.
I promise I won't forget my wallet again.
Maybe keep it in your bag from now on.
That's a good idea.
Should we get going?
Yes, let's head to the movie.
Do we need to buy tickets first?
I already bought them online yesterday.
Oh, nice. That saves time.
Yes, we can go straight to the theater.
How far is the theater from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk.
Perfect. We have enough time.
Let's go then.
After you.
Thanks again for today, Jack.
Anytime. Let's not forget the popcorn this time.
Don't worry, I have cash for that now.
Good, because I'm not lending you any more money today.
Fair enough.